Hi everyone, welcome to another OnSide video tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at OnSide Team Locator, but as a user. So to start off with, I'm going to just launch the app. And I've got my login details already here, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. So first up, I need to find a property to sign into. So I'm going to sign into one that I created earlier. There we are. And I've just put it against a random reserve. Sign in. Now I think I'm only going to be here for about 15 minutes, but you can go up as high as you want. It's really up to you, however much time you think you're going to need. So this is the main page for Team Locator. You'll see here Jimmy Mason Test, that's the user. I'm part of the Epic team. So if there are other team members here with me, they'll show here as well. And just as you can as a casual user, you can report a risk or incident. If we go along to the safety tab, we're going to see the risks that are on the property. So we've got a drainage creek, so it's a drowning risk, and the drainage creek runs along the reserve. Got it. Now if something does happen, we've got the emergency tab, 111 obviously for emergency services, but it's also got the phone number of the nearest neighbour, a contact person, and a first aid trained person. So Dr. McBob in this case. And I haven't put helicopter landing coordinates in this property. Then we've got the contact, and this is the contact number of the property owner if you need to get in touch with them directly. Going back to the departure tab, you can see that I've used up a couple of minutes now. I'm down to 13 minutes that I've got remaining at this property, but I think I'm going to be here a little bit longer, so I can increase that. Now, when you get 5 minutes away from your estimated departure time, you're going to get a notification letting you know that you're coming up to that time. If you go over it, both yourself and your team leader are going to get a notification saying you've gone over it. We go back to the main tab here. We can just sign out. That's it. Back to the main page there to search for another property. That is Team Locator as a user. Thanks a lot.